Hello, this is test number 3 with these two, electric and spring. Like I said, I will be testing these every day. This will be test number 3 for these guns. Same target as always. Here we go. Whoops. With some paperwork. A 50-year-old man with sunglasses and cargo shorts must be going to an important meeting. It was noted that for the first time in Super Bowl history, neither of the teams competing have cheerleaders. No word yet about players from either team who remember to go. Cheerleaders at one time would stop at the 1965 track Berkeley Pyramid. I know what you can do. Clip 1. Gun 1. Done. Gun 2. Sorry, that's Saturday Night Live in the background. Gun 2, semi-automatic blowback, right here. Clip 1 out, going for the clip 2. Fully auto right now. And this is the third gun review. So if all you guys who may be following me, I doubt you are, but if you are, this is the two guns. I will be most likely picking one up today and tomorrow, another one, probably the 1911. But yeah, it's coming soon. Stay tuned.